So we're just here. I'm just here at the bus stop. I just dropped the kids off. They just jumped onto the bus and just on there going to school. Brother, it is a misty ass morning here. Check it out. Look at that. You can't even see nothing. It's one of the school buses. But yeah, it's misty air, so I'm just deciding whether to go to the track or go to the beach. I might just opt for the beach. Yeah. So we'll go and do that. Bro, the sun is pumping, G. Pumping. Check it out. Check it out. Brother, that is beautiful. Oh, I still got my blinker going, man. That is beautiful. It's New Zealand sun at its finest. Yeah, actually looking forward to this beach walk with that beautiful sun. So go out there. I usually go out there, go and spend some time with the Lord, do my prayers, do a bit of intercession for my whānau. Yeah, just driving out. I don't even know what this road is called actually. But it is a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. I actually took my kids to the beach yesterday. My two little babies, my two little ones. Oh, look at that. Brother, not too shabby, oh brother. Cause it's mean. Proper mean. Mean as G. Oh, yeah. Let's go to the beach. I would probably go for a swim. Nah, it's bloody cold, what am I saying? Yeah. Maybe. So we made it to the beach. Bro. That sun is like smashing down. Beautiful. Check it out. So we are going to walk. Down the front of the beach. I don't know about going up the track today. But yeah, let's go. Lock the car up. Beautiful morning. Wow, I remember when I was little at this beach, and they never used to have that much rocks along the front. Well, I don't remember they had that much rocks, but like, and there was a lot more beach. So the what are you talking? The water levels definitely rise, significantly. See, check that. Bro, there's only like that much beach. Before there was like heaps of it. Sure. I'm positive. I'm positive there was more beach. Probably tripping. But check this out, like, see along that front bit, bro, I don't remember it being like all those rocks. I think like the sand is just like exposed over the time in the erosion. Because look at that. Look at these, like, look at the, yeah bro, look, the water's just washed all of that out. What do they call it? Global warming. Global warming, bruh. Or global warming. But it's a beautiful day. The sun cranking out. Yeah, we'll walk right down to the bottom of that walk track. I think it's like a 3-hour walk or something. Well, I think it is. Yeah. Beautiful day, beautiful day. House. Oh, there's heaps of them. Yeah, my kids, they all like collecting showers, especially my girls. Whoa, just about twisting my ankle. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. You wouldn't want to jump off that, or you wouldn't want to fall off that. Yeah. It's just good to get out and do some form of exercise, no matter what it is. So I don't want to be one of those ones who can't walk, you know, only like 60 years old or something, you know what I mean? God willing. Hey. But yeah, look at all the rocks. Oh, they're just everywhere. Everywhere. So there's been a few people already been through here this morning. Oh, and there's a sand dune that's coming up on our left. When I was younger, about, I don't know, about 15, we used to do sandboarding down it. With me and my cousin and my brothers. But bro, like, a lot of that sand dune's gone too. See, I'll just flick you around. See, check out that. Hey bro, that's like, the water's just eaten into that. It's just like eroded so badly. Because that used to come straight down. Yeah. Some good memories. Really good memories. Oh bro, back then I was so unfit because I used to smoke cigarettes. So you'd go down once, bro, run up maybe a couple of times, and then bro, gassed out, and that was it. It's beautiful. I'm just gonna keep walking all the way down there. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people go up there with their dogs and take photos. I've seen some people up there yesterday doing it. Must be a good place to take photos of your dog. Hey? It's like unless they got an Instagram page where people go up and take photos of their dogs and they share it around. I don't know. But yeah, bro, that erosion's pretty bad. Look at that. There's the lady way up there, over there somewhere, with her dog, taking photos. Anyway, get our walk on. Bro, you can wake up in the morning and go for a nice brisk walk in the nature, on the beach, with that beautiful sun. Hey, aren't we blessed in New Zealand? Especially compared to other countries, they're waking up to bombs dropping on their head. Not that I'm laughing about it, but I think we just take our country for granted. Yeah. And that's one thing I don't want to do, is take our country for granted. It's a beautiful place, and we need to go out there and discover the beauty, bro. It's beautiful, beautiful. Look at that beautiful Ngāhere. Beautiful little bush. I have walked that track before, and I probably got only quarter of the way. But I'm keen to do it again and do the whole thing. But you have to wait till the tide goes out, so you can come along the that bit there. So if you come along that bit there when the tide's in, I don't think you'll be making it, bro. See, like, the tide's already coming over there. I don't know whether we walk that way or go up the rocks. I'm thinking maybe go up the rocks. Hello, mate. Yeah, another walk around there, but we'll go up the rocks. Had a little here. I don't know if the tide's been up here. Yeah, a lot of... Oh, I just stepped in the water. Yeah, you don't want to be stepping in it to where it goes into your shoe. Oh, look at this poor fella. Oh, Mr. Krabs. Oh, Mr. Krabs. Oh, no, he's falling apart, Mr. Krabs. What's up, Mr. Krabs? Kia ora, boys. Kia ora, guys. Put him back in his... over there. Just walking along the top of the rocks over here. Just checking it out. Look at that. It's like on those what do you call it? It's like picturesque or whatever they are, and they're on like postcards, bro. Yeah, it's like those pictures on those postcards. Oh look, there's another crab. That one, I don't know if that one maybe. Oh, that's probably dead too. See that one's in the water. Oh yeah, he's dead. Quite a bit of people out this morning. Well, I can count 5, if you can call that quite a bit. Oh, she's just about slipping up. I see like there. That's the bottom of the track down there. And you like walk up there and go along the sides there. We'll walk down and have a jack. Bro. Look at that. Now you can tell when people have got money, it's when they build houses like this. Look, and it's a batch. Look at that, right on the beach. And there's another one up there, and you're just waking up to that every morning. Look at that. It's just beautiful. Cut it out, eh? Cut it out. You got too much money. Give us a loan. Give us a loan. Right. I think I just stumbled on an ancient Māori village. These, oh, this has got to be like a few thousand years old. I'm not too sure what the building was. Could have been a house for a family or something, but the architecture, you can tell it's old. Check that out. Look at that. Look at the architecture on that. Like a family could have like lived in here. Could have had like a fire or something, you know. They probably had like what are the thing? The leaves, the ferns. Yeah. Pretty buzzy, bro. Pretty buzzy. I don't know if I'd live in it though. Maybe, maybe. I'm stopping too much. I need to keep walking. It's surprisingly nice and quiet out here though. Nice and peaceful. Should have left my bush top in the car because I'm getting hot. We're back on, and we're back on. We're just about to the start of the track. There's a guy who ran past me. I can see him up there. He's walking to the top. He's walking up there. I know there's like, bro, millions of stairs that you have to climb. Yeah, I think I walked along there. I think I was about 100 and maybe 110 kgs. Bro, I'm like 146 now. Jeez. It's like 26 more kgs I have to carry up that hill. Bro, and that's quite heavy, G. It's proper heavy, actually. So we'll just stick on the flat, on the beginners for today. And when we start getting deep into our training, start getting deep into our bloody into our Viking state of mind, yeah, brother, I'll be up that hill, G, all day. Be running it. Stop it, Edward, stop it. So finally here, finally got to the start of the track. Bro, yeah, I don't remember walking up just a little bit. But we'll go up and oita. Just a sign. Magnified Cliff walkway. So it's not too bad. 2 hours and 15 minutes, 6k walk. That's not that far. I suppose it would be just like the terrain. I suppose it would be like the terrain that is there's the killer. No bikes, no dogs, no fires. Return along beach is not possible at high tide. Yeah, I thought so. So I did have a check of some reviews. But if you've done this walk, like comment below and tell me how it went. Because I will do the whole thing, but just not today. Not today. Not today, Satan. But yeah, possible at high tide. This walkway crosses private land. No dogs allowed on track. Please keep to the walkway. Yeah, I don't think there's anything that dangerous up there. This track is part of Te Araroa, a walking trail from Cape Reinga to Bluff. Oh, too much. Too much. Yo, check this. I think they had another little building in there. I'll just zoom in. Right, those are gangs, cuss. Proper gangs. Check out, and there's another one up there. I know it's a private property because I used to work on this farm back in the days, like way back in the days. I'm talking like, bro, 20 years ago. And me and a couple of boys who were always we were planting up there. We were planting out the farm. Had some good laughs. Oh yeah, I'm gonna hikoi walk back to the car. And that'll be my exercise for now. See what happens later on in the day. Yeah, let's go, brother. Let's go, brother. Yeah, definitely should have left my t-shirt in the car. I don't like carrying things. I hate carrying things. I hate even on the floor of your car. If I'm sitting in the passenger seat, I can't have anything around my legs. I might have a claustrophobic issue. Nah, I don't know. Just hate it. Just hate shit around my legs. Chuck it in the back. It doesn't belong by my legs. I need my space, bruh. Give me my space. Let's go. And when I was saying like earlier, like new seasons, bro, some of those seasons are really difficult to get through, and sometimes you don't even see a way out of those seasons. But as I kept reading the Bible and listening to the Word and just soaking in His presence, in God's presence, and just seeking Him all throughout it, all throughout the journey, all throughout the well, I wouldn't call it like pain, but it's like a it's like you're stuck. You're just stuck, like stuck in the mud, and you don't know how to get out or which way to go, and you're there. But yet you like being stuck in the mud, but you don't want to be stuck in the mud. And that's what I was like fighting with myself mentally. And the best thing to do, I was watching a video on one of the bros, and is you need to give that fight to the Lord. You need to give that fight to Jesus. He wants that fight. He wants all that smoke. So you got to give all that smoke to Him. You got to give all that fight to Him. And like, who was it? Jacob, and he wrestled with God. That's what you need to do with your problems. That's what I did with my problems, and I'm still wrestling. God didn't say it was going to be an easy walk on this earth, and it's all going to be roses, and you're just going to have the peaceful lives. You'll have seasons and moments of peace, and moments of laughter and happiness, and even moments of sadness and grief and those kind of things. But you just got to trust in Him, and He says don't take your eyes off Him. Like, look up. Look up. Amen. Let's go. One thing I've always loved growing up is being able to go to the beach and being beside the water. I used to surf many moons ago. But I always loved being in the water. Like, who wouldn't? Come on, bro. Who wouldn't want to be in this beautiful sea? So I'm back to the car. Just walking up the stairs. Whew. Man, my fitness level is probably at a 0, probably even a minus, my bro. Probably a minus, my bro. But hey, that's why we're out here. So I think we'll go home. It's too early to eat. Go home. I might have a shower, actually. Sweating my ass off, bro. Yeah. Good start to the day. Can't complain. Very blessed.